Today on Focus on Investing, we'll be analyzing the stock market to see if you can make money today, right now, with Tesla stock. Time to get focused.
You are now tuned in to Daily Stock Analysis with Focus on Investing.
Gather around, hustlers. That's if you're still living. This is Focus on Investing. I am Focus, and this is your daily stock review of Tesla, ticker symbol TSLA. Let's start with some fundamentals. Tesla Inc. is an American electric vehicle and clean energy company based in Austin, Texas, United States. Tesla is one of the world's most valuable companies and remains the most valuable automaker in the world, with a market cap of nearly $1 trillion. Founded in July 2003 by Martin Eberhard and Mark Tappening as Tesla Motors, in February 2004 via a $6.5 million investment, X.com co-founder Elon Musk became the largest shareholder of the company and its chairman. According to TradingView, its sector and industries is consumer durables and motor vehicles. Its next earnings day is January the 26th at 4:10 p.m. Eastern Time. Its expected quarterly earnings is up 475%. Its expected quarterly revenue is up 39.1%. All right, enough of the fundamentals. Let's get into the technicals. This is our Focus on Investing setup with some of our bespoke custom indicators. If you want to get your hands on them, go to focusoninvesting.io. Let's start with the monthly time frame. If we take a look at the monthly chart, we can see the overall shape of Tesla is quite flat until we get to around the 3rd of September 2019, and then we see this massive spike. Let's take a closer look. If we zoom into the charts, we can see that Tesla started off with quite a choppy chart, lots of turbulence, lots of volatility. As we go forward, we see after the volatility, we have a massive spike here at the 1st of April 2013. And then bang, we're back into this volatility sideways movement. So a minor pullback, a shoot up, and then again, you see here, we have the volatility again. We have a bit of a drop and then a rise and then a drop, a lot of sideways movement. We see a lot of consolidation happening here. You can see we have a massive consolidation from the 3rd of February 2014 until the 1st of December 2018. So 2 years of consolidation before again we see another spike up, multiple months of continued growth. Then bam, we've gone back into consolidation again. And then if we continue to go on, we see a massive dip. This is starting from the 3rd of December 2018. Price then spikes again wildly, coming back up until the 2nd of December 2019. We had a minor consolidation and then another boost up again all the way up to the 1st of July 2020. This actually continues to the 3rd of August 2020. We have a little pullback here. We see another spike and then we see consolidation again. We see another spike. And then this brings us up to today where we see more consolidation. So if we were to look at the trend of Tesla or the nature of the stock, we can see that it goes through a bit of consolidation and then massive spikes, consolidation and massive spikes, consolidation and massive spikes. So you can see here, we've just had a massive spike from the 1st of October 2021, and now we're seeing a bit of consolidation. So I would expect to see after consolidation, another massive spike. If we go to our window, we can see that price is currently trading at $1,064.40. Price is currently not at an all-time high. Our all-time high is here at $1,243. We're currently trading slightly below that. We're actually trading in between last year's previous high and low. So we can see our low level here at $545. Ideally, we'd like to see price trading above our previous high. If we look for key support and resistance levels, as price is quite high at the moment, we can see most of our key resistance and support levels here and represented by our dotted lines. The overall shape of the stock is quite good. If we take a look at the overall shape of price, we can see that price was going quite flat until we reached the 1st of October. And from the 1st of October, we can see a massive spike in bullish action. And we can see that price went all the way up.
Nothing can stop me, I'm all the way up.
Ideally, we'd like to see price break out from this consolidation and continue to the upside. Let's take a look at the weekly chart. If we take a look at our current weekly chart, we can see that price is actually currently trading above our 200 simple moving average and our 50 simple moving average, with good separation between the indicators and also between indicators and price. If we look at our trend filter, we can see that price is currently green, which means it's very bullish. We can also see price trading above most of our key pivot support and resistance levels. However, we do see a small one here. Let's zoom in. We can see a key pivot support and resistance level here at $1,241. It's quite a recent one. This one goes back as far as the 1st of November 2021, which isn't too far back. So we wouldn't expect it to be too much of a strong support and resistance level. Remember, the more recent the support and resistance level, the less powerful or strong it is. The further back it will be, the more significant it will become. Let's take a look at our daily time frame. You can see that price currently is trading above our 200 simple moving average. It's trading just below our 50 simple moving average and below our 20 simple moving average. Let's zoom in. We can see that although price is trading above the 200 simple moving average, we can see that the 50 simple moving average and the 20 simple moving average are actually crossed over. They're actually entangled.
Entanglement.
An entanglement?
Yes, entanglement.
Yes, we've got an entanglement between the moving averages and they are out of order. You can currently see that our trend filter is actually colored red because it's trading below our 50 simple moving average. If we zoom out and look at the overall shape of the stock, we can see that generally, it goes through phases where it respects the moving averages and we have our trend filter as green. But then we do have, points where it dips below and enters into the red. If we go back in time, we can actually see quite often it dips into the red trend filter. We see it here again. It goes through periods where it respects the trend filter. Again, we see a little bit of red here and little spots going through back in history. But generally, we can see that the trend filter is mostly green with little areas of red trend filter. If we go back to the more recent time, again, we can see that price is trading below our key support and resistance level. And we can see that price is very choppy at the moment. Price tends to go on little runs and then consolidates with this stock. If we look here, price is currently going through an area of consolidation between $1,240 and $899. We can see that price is struggling to break through these levels. We can see price has gone up, come back down again, up, come back down again, back up again to our resistance level, and then we're seeing price head back down to the downside. Ideally, we'd like to see price turn around from here, go up to our resistance level, actually break and close above that resistance level. We'd like to see price retest our resistance level and then continue on to the upside. Remember, this stock has a history of going on little runs and then going on to its little consolidation.
Consolidated with the quickness.
Remember, no stock moves in straight lines. All stocks go on runs, then consolidate and then break out and run again. So this is not a bad sign. This is actually quite a good sign. Coming to the end of the year, markets generally tend to slow up a bit. So here we would like to see a bit of momentum with this new year energy and for it to break out of consolidation and continue on to the upside. Let's take a look at our final daily chart to see if there's an investment opportunity to be had here. If we zoom in, we can take a look at today's candlestick and we can see it's green. That means the bulls have taken it.
It's over! The Bulls win at the buzzer!
However, we can see it's quite an indecision candlestick. So I wouldn't be really confident that this candlestick or this bar is showing signs of continued momentum to the upside. And indecision candlesticks generally means that the momentum has kind of slowed. So we might see again a bit more consolidation before it goes to the upside. So is there an investment opportunity to be had here? If we look at our indicators, we have a specific indicator that tells you whether or not it's a good bar to enter into a trade. It's either these little green dots for bullish price action and these red dots for bearish price action. We can see here on the 14th, we have our boy or our BOI, our breakout indicator. We see another one here on the 21st of October. We see another one here on the 29th of October. We see another one here on the 3rd of November. We actually see a bearish breakout indicator on the 16th of December, another bearish indicator on the 20th of December, and we actually see a bullish indicator on the 3rd of January. But do we have a breakout indicator today on the 11th of January? No, there is no breakout indicator today on our charts.
What happened to that boy?
So to summarize, overall, do I think this is the right time to enter into Tesla stock? I wouldn't be looking to get into Tesla at this moment. We know that the stock has a history of making a little run and then going through consolidations. Ideally, we'd like to see price break and close above this consolidation level. As we said previously, pull back and then continue on to the upside. And then we can look for opportunities to get into this trade if we see our boy or our breakout indicator suggesting that the candlestick or the bar is a good one to enter into. If there's a specific stock that you would like me to analyze, make sure you put it down in the comment section. If you want to get up-to-date stock information, hit that bell icon. And if you want daily stock lists of stocks to buy now, or the tools and education to analyze your own stocks and get your hands on our custom indicators, go to focusoninvesting.io. Link is in the description.